Do cardinals like safflower seeds? Have you ever wondered what seeds attract northern cardinals to your backyard? One seed that often comes up is safflower. Let's take a closer look at whether cardinals enjoy these seeds. From the perspective of northern cardinals, safflower seeds are indeed a favorite. These seeds are larger than many others, making them easy for cardinals to handle. They also have a unique bitter taste. This bitterness can actually deter smaller birds like sparrows, which means cardinals can enjoy their meal without competition. In addition to being appealing, safflower seeds are durable and less expensive compared to other birdseed options. This makes them a practical choice for anyone interested in backyard birding. When you set up your feeders, safflower seeds can be a cost-effective way to attract cardinals. Nutritionally, safflower seeds are beneficial for cardinals. They provide a good source of energy, which is especially important during the colder months. These seeds are rich in fat and protein, helping cardinals maintain their vibrant plumage and support their active lifestyle. If you want to attract cardinals to your yard, using safflower seeds can be quite effective. Place them in feeders that are easy for cardinals to access, such as tray feeders or hopper feeders. This way, you can enjoy watching them up close. While cardinals do enjoy safflower seeds, they also appreciate other types of seeds. Black oil sunflower seeds and sunflower kernels are also popular choices among these beautiful birds. Mixing different seeds can create a more inviting environment for them. In practical terms, offering safflower seeds can help create a welcoming space for cardinals in your backyard. Imagine enjoying their beautiful songs and vibrant colors as they visit your feeders. By providing safflower seeds, you can attract these lovely birds and enhance your backyard birding experience.